So this area was active salt in this industrial area, but it became like it is now. And they don't clean it, they just leave it like this, because this is what the flamingo likes as well. So if you ever go to Bonaire, the neighboring island, which you can see, for example, the active salt industry there still. The point is that the yellow building there on the right with the green windows and the green shades. 1635. The governor lives there, and it is also the offices of the prime minister and the parliament. Behind it we have a church of 1769, the oldest Protestant church on the island. And then we have the bridge. The bridge is a floating bridge, so it opens completely to this side to allow the vessels to come in and out of the harbor, because this is the exit and entrance of a harbor. And there the floating bridge is only for pedestrians. Formerly it also cars could drive over it, but in 1974 they put a halt to it when our highest bridge opened. So our floating bridge, Queen Emma, is the oldest bridge in the Caribbean. It is not a drawbridge, so it opens to this side. Malaria, yellow fever, scurvy, we're cared for, military, British, Dutch, sometimes also Portuguese and Spaniards. But then it moved to another area, and they used it then to start. You can wait for me behind the door, inside in the room behind the door. I will come with you just now because I have to register first. Atlantis. Let me start very quick because everybody has to come along. So all the furniture that you see here is made in Curacao with mahogany hardwood. The flooring is also mahogany. The table is the oldest table in Curacao at the moment, intact, because we have more, but they're not intact. And what I want to tell you is that when they made the furniture, the mahogany, we don't have enough mahogany, of course. Mahogany, very comfortable chair with a pot in the middle, only we don't call it number 2, we say skiri. So if you were saying, I'm going to write a letter, everybody knew what you were saying. Okay? With flour and from the corn. You saw the sword we have there on the right, even though people don't clean their kitchen like that anymore. So just check the strings, and I play the song. Now, this map is stained art. It was made by an artist named Bachman. And Bachman got, they told Bachman to make some art, a map or something, and he did. So here is the geographical position of the Netherlands West Indies. The West Indies Company was responsible for reconquering countries or conquering countries or territories. Okay. Everyone out beautiful capital, Willemstad, with the entrance of the harbor, La Bahia de Santa Ana, or just the St. Anna Bay, the floating bridge, and the tall building. In a year from now, it won't be there anymore. That tall building that you see there on the right is a former hotel, which they are dismantling little by little, and there will be another building coming in place, but not a high rise. On top of that hill, we have the fort which is converted into a restaurant, Fort Nassau, from 1796, and behind there you see the pontoon cranes of the Curacao dry dock and also the container harbor. The waters are very deep, and that's why we even have platforms in Curacao. Those are sitting in the aisle. If you look in front of you, you see some of the platforms, the oil rig. We don't have oil in Curacao, but they come here to be maintained. We have a lot of, for economy-wise, it's very good because they can make use of many harbors that we have. We have 2 harbors in total, and we have many docks. So, that's why we have 4 to 5, 6 cruise ships on a visit at times. History of the indigenous families who were here way before the Spaniards, and the Spaniards themselves who came from Spain, saying that it is our Curacao, and the long Harrison house on a big property. We have visited one inside, and a little not to drink, just to use. Then we are here at the bottles. Yes.
Does it taste all the same?
No, I'm